Hello friends, welcome to our next video of our channel on a Excel. So we'll continue with the Excel basics. Okay, and in our last video we discussed about the uh, so, format painting, alignment, merging of cells, etc. Now we'll discuss about the sort. So now we'll discuss about the function called sort. So sort, what is a sort? So sort is something which we use to se- uh, set our data in a particular order, in a selected order, whether it could be if it is a number, then 1 to 100 or 10 to 1, or if it is a alphabet, then A to Z, Z to A. If you want to order our data in on the basis of values, on the basis of format, on the basis of font, so we can use this function to manage our data. So what is where we can find it? So on a ribbon, go to the data tab, then you will get a sort option over here. So once you first of all you need to select your data. You need to select your data, then go to the ribbon and select the option. Once you click over here, you will get the dialog box appear on your screen like this. So if you have to do a sorting only with one factor, then you can select it like here month, values, and oldest to newest. And if you want to add multiple features on us while sorting it, so you can add click over here to add levels and given the conditions. And one most important thing, friends, so this is checkbox over here is my data has header. So please remember while doing this, while using this function, if your data has a header, please check this box, else your header will go inside your data. If you don't have headers, please uncheck it because it will not sort your first row of your data, selected data. And after doing this, click OK and your data will automatically get sorted. So we'll view it. So here is the data in our Excel. So we have month and the sale of the particular month, but this is on a order from Jan to December. If I want to see it on a descending order, so I want to see a sale first for the December, then November, then October. So what I'll do, I'll select the data, go to the data tab, click on sort. Okay, so it's nothing selected here. So I want to sort it on a basis of month, on basis of value, and I can select oldest to newest and newest to oldest. So if I'll select it here, oldest to newest, and click here, nothing happened. Why? Because अभी यहाँ पर जो है डेटा which is on a month base, monthly data है ये. So we need to select a correct custom list. So select particular order. So it is a month. So then we have to select it's a month. Jan, Feb, March, April. Okay. So okay, and click on OK. It is not again changed. Why? Have you noticed? So while click on this, so we selected this set of order like Jan, Feb, March, April, May. So which is already written same. So we need to change it December to January and click on OK. So look here, the entire data get rearranged. December data get on a top, then November, October, and Jan is on a last. So this is a method you can use to sort your data. Okay. And next function is sort and filter. So Sort and filter for numbers. So this is an you can also sort the data by clicking on sort and filter command on a home tab. So I've told you that to sort a data, you need to go to data and then click on sort. So if you forget it, if you are on a home, you will get a sort and filter here. So first select the data, click here, what you want, custom sort, and the data and sort is the same thing. So here is a shortcut for it. If you click it, it will go directly on a dialog box. Now the next formula. So you learn about the sorting. Now we will tell you about the filters. So what is a filter? So filter is if you want to view something on a particular if a particular value you want to see. So for example, so for in this table we have only single column of a month and then it's sale. So what if we copy it and it paste it? So we have now two data set. It was written twice, December, January, February, and I want to see the total sale of for the month of August only. So what I'll do, I'll filter it. So I'll tell here it is written. I'll go here and apply filter. So there are two options for this also. You can directly from a home, you can go to editing and then filter, or you can go to data tab, then click on filter. And now if I want to see the data for the month of August only, then I click on August, check August and uncheck all the rest of the things. Click on OK. Then you can see only August data is visible from the data table. Rest everything is hidden. So this is a function called filter. So there are more advanced feature to it. Uh, I can tell you. So okay. So now you can do filters with the conditions also. If you want to see the data which is equals to particular number, or you want to see does not equals to particular number and rest everything visible, or you can use the number which is greater than 10 or 100 or 50, then it is visible, rest everything will get heights. So you can use these columns, these filters, these option in filters while doing the using filter in your data. So here is, if you want to see, here is the entire so usage we have written. So how you can use the filter for quick filtering, you can use this. And now I will tell you about the shortcuts for sort and filter. So if you want to sort a data without clicking anywhere, select data and press Alt D S. You will get the dialog box for the sort. So I'll tell you again. I'll write it here. CLT is a short form of control. Sorry. Sorry. In this, you need to select first the data, then Alt plus D plus S. Select the data and click, press Alt, press it, remain your hand on the Alt key, then press on D, then press on S without removing your hand from Alt. So it remains on there. Got it? Okay, so next we told about the filters. So what is the shortcut for filter? Control. Go to the first you need to be on a data. So if you go somewhere else and then do it, it will might be no, it will might not work. But if you on your data, press Control, Shift, and L, you will get the filters. Or Alt D F F. So that's all for today's video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and share your feedback. Thank you very much.